Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe are the best assorted claw clips on the market. The 8PC's hair clips for women by Sunolga. Whether you have thick, thin, curly, or straight hair, these flower claw clips are designed to keep your hair securely in place while adding a touch of elegance to your everyday look. This set includes 8 hair clips in neutral tones like beige and milk coffee, perfect for complementing any outfit or occasion. The clips feature a flower-inspired design, offering a stylish yet simple accessory that suits women of all ages. What sets these apart is their combination of functionality and fashion. Crafted from durable and lightweight plastic, each clip is coated with a matte finish that not only looks sophisticated but also resists wear and tear. The spring mechanism is firm yet easy to operate, making it effortless to clip your hair whether it's dry or wet. The design includes long teeth that grip hair firmly, preventing slippage throughout your busy day. These claw clips are specifically tailored for thick hair but perform well across all hair types. The anti-slip lock tooth design ensures that the clips hold even fine or thin strands without causing damage. Thanks to their thickness and sturdy build, these clips are built to last and won't easily break or hurt your hair. Versatility is another major strength of this product. Whether you're dressing up for a wedding, heading to work, working out at yoga, or simply doing chores at home, these clips can elevate your hairstyle quickly and easily. They are perfect for creating casual updos or keeping hair out of your face during makeup application or skincare routines. Besides their practical use, these clips also make an ideal gift for your wife, daughter, mother, or friends. Their elegant appearance and multiple styles make them a popular choice for birthdays, anniversaries, or Mother's Day. The package dimensions are compact, making it easy to carry a set in your handbag for quick touch-ups on the go. With over 10 years of expertise in hair accessories, Sunolga continues to deliver innovative products designed with both comfort and style in mind. If you're looking for a reliable, fashionable, and functional set of hair clips, this 8-piece variety pack offers great value. It's a wonderful addition to your hair accessory collection, suitable for everyday use or special occasions. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.